What's up, guys? Back with another video. I just posted a video about a couple minutes ago. It's about Super Mario Bros. So you guys should definitely check that out. So we are playing Five Nights at Freddy's 2. So let's just play this. Grand reopening. Okay. Real excited to play this. Play this a couple times. Okay. So you hold on the flash. Got it. Then you have this thing. There you guys are. Okay, yeah, I don't want to hear your call. Okay, just checking, because you want to be really safe. You gotta be, like, very consistent. This is coming from pro. Okay, like, I'm actually so terrible at this. I played this a couple minutes ago, and I was like, I went 5 minutes not being found, and in about 3 minutes, not being found again. That's very calm, isn't it? Okay. Who would have this at a child's birthday party? I mean, that's really creepy to me. What is that guy called? Like, that, the birdie right here reminds me of the guy from Sesame Street. And you're just looking at me like, so this is getting really boring. I don't know what to do. Sorry, that's just my weird sister. So, yeah. You guys are not moving? Move somewhere. Stop laughing. I know this is such a fail and always. I know, but this is Five Nights at Freddy's. Of course, it's supposed to be boring, okay? Okay. Good for you. I suppose his name is supposed to be Freddy. I'm just gonna look around like. Mel's just bored. I'm really bored. No, I'm not. I didn't click back for you. Wait. Yeah. Okay. We seem to be really safe now. Oh my god, that scared me. Okay. Can you get this mask off of me? Please. Okay. So we're just gonna wait. I can wait. OMG, they're gone. No, I gotta go look for them now. I'm really scared. Okay, guys, now I'm honestly scared. Okay, now we got that little orange thing flash. Oh, frick. And this is the moment that I die. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna die. So, let's just enjoy. Just keep on running. Just, no matter what. No, come on. I need to run. Oh my god. Okay, we're safe. Okay? What the heck? It didn't have that warning sign. Do you hear me? How can somebody survive 5 nights when I only survived to 2 o'clock? I mean, seriously. Oh, come on. That was like, damn, honey. So, thank you all for watching Five Nights at Freddy's with me. Go check out my latest Mario Brothers. I swear. Go check out my other video. It's up by now, so thank you all for watching. Bye.